In today's video, we are going to cover two interesting things. First is ChatGPT's new memory feature, which seems quite interesting and could be pretty useful. And the second is a free AI video generator, specially for creating short form content for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Let's dive in. First up, let's explore ChatGPT's new memory feature. Once you log into ChatGPT, just come here and click here on your name, then click on settings, and here you can come here and click on personalization, and here you'll see this memory feature where it says ChatGPT will become more helpful as you chat, picking up on details and preferences to tailor to your responses. To understand what ChatGPT remembers or teach it something new, just chat with it. Things like, remember that I like concise responses, I just got a puppy, what do you remember about me, where did we leave off my last project, etc. If you come here and click on this button here, ChatGPT 4, here you have this option of turning on temporary chat, which means that nothing will be stored inside of ChatGPT, and once the chat is done, everything will go away. So for right now, for testing the memory feature, let's leave it turned off. Now let's test this out. So the first prompt I've given, remember I am married and I have 2 children. And here it says memory updated. Got it, Ankit. So if you come here and click on this button here, and if you click on manage memories, here you'll see this particular detail has been updated into ChatGPT's memory. And later on, if I want to remove this, I can just simply come here and click on this button delete, and the memory will go away. So let's test this a bit further. I've written 5 to 6 points about myself, and I'll paste this here. I'm an entrepreneur who's looking to grow my t-shirt business. I'm married and I'm a father to 2 lovely children. My t-shirt designs have minimal streetwear vibes and are cool and are targeted to upper Gen Z and millennials. I also love to learn and explore no-code AI tools so that I can save time and earn more money. I also create content around no-code AI tools which are easy to use. And here at the start of this, I'll just mention, please remember all these things about me and update your memory. And I'll just press on enter. And here you can see it says memory updated. I'll just click on this and I'll click on manage memories. And here you see all the 4 points have been updated here. So if this is what it is, it should help ChatGPT to give me faster and more optimized responses. Let's test it out. So here, based on its memory about me, it's given. I just asked it the simple question, how shall I grow my business and YouTube channel at the same time? This is good, but it has not taken into account that most of my content on YouTube is about no-code AI tools. So it's not been able to merge these two separate things together to give me a more optimized response. Maybe I'll have to prompt it. Maybe I'll have to re-prompt it to make it better. I found a better use case for the memory feature of ChatGPT on Twitter. So this is what I learned over there. Instead of feeding it memory about myself, I can use this. Please save this to my memory. In the future, whenever I say t-shirt, please execute the following prompt. Ask me to upload a photo of my t-shirt design. Once I upload it, just look at the t-shirt, understand the design, and then write an SEO optimized caption for the t-shirt, followed by 15 hashtags and keywords in a row so that I could post it on social media. Let's press on enter. Here it says memory updated. So now let's test this out. All set. Whenever you mention t-shirt, I'll know exactly what to do. So let's test this out. I'll just mention t-shirt. Great. Please upload a photo of your t-shirt design and I'll help you come up with an SEO optimized caption along with some hashtags and keywords for your social media. So now let's upload the design. I'll click on this. I'll go to my desktop. I'll upload the design that we created today and I'll simply click on enter. Here, this is the design. And now let's see ChatGPT's memory function in action. There it goes. Looking at your t-shirt, I have created an SEO optimized caption and selected some hashtags and keywords. Here it is. Embrace the journey with a sky blue build rest pretty, a statement piece for bright future. Stay comfy, look cool and inspire your streetwear tribe. Swagstar, be the future. So Swagstar is the name of my brand, which is mentioned in the custom instructions of ChatGPT. It pulled this out from there. And here it's given me the necessary hashtags. So this works cool. So this is quite a useful feature. So that was ChatGPT's memory function. Now let's check out the free AI video generator. Now we'll check out a free AI video generator which can help you in your journey of content creation online. So the website is called atlabs.ai. Once you come here, just come here and create your free account and log in. So once you come to the website of atlabs.ai, you'll see this. Just come here and click on new video. Here just give the title about a video. Here select the script type. I'll select inspirational. Here select the script length. I'll select 60 seconds, language English, then click on generate. Here they have created the script on their own. You can also upload your own script. Click on proceed. Then I'll just select the accent. Let's stick to United States. I'll select a suitable language. You also have these premium languages available here. Click on generate voiceover. Then I'll click on proceed. I didn't find the option to preview the voiceover. Here it's creating the audio for the whole story. Now let's select the image style. Let's select comic book. I'll click on generate visuals. You also have the option to upload your own visuals. Here you can see the visuals are getting ready. Here the visuals are ready. I'll click on take me to editor. You have the various script box options. Here you can click on this and edit the individual scripts. You also have the option of clicking on each picture and uploading the picture or replacing or editing it. You can also add more scenes. Come here and select a suitable music. You can click on this drop down button here and select what you like. Yeah, then you can come here and click on captions, and you can select from all these caption styles available. Let the default remain, and once you're satisfied with everything, you can preview the video first. Let's see the
Tom, a couch potato who spends his days binge watching TV and snacking. One day, he catches a glimpse of himself in the mirror and decides it's time for a change. He joins a gym and starts working out regularly, pushing himself to new limits. Despite the initial struggle, he begins to see progress and gains confidence. Finally, he completes a marathon, proving that with determination and hard work, anything is possible.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might certainly enjoy this video, which is going to come up here on the screen, where we have covered an AI video generator using which you can create full videos with a single text prompt. It's pretty mind-blowing. Do check it out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.